Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Learn Luganda, or you can say Yiga or Luganda. My name is Kabuga Peter. In today's video, we are going to be looking at day-to-day phrases we use in transportation in Luganda. We are sponsored by Katani Home and Interiors UG. They are located at Namland and Tele Road. You can call them and do business as far as interior designing and installation is concerned. Beddings, curtains, and whatever accessories goes with that, they are there for you. Now, we always, whenever we go to certain countries or in different areas, we should be knowing how to look for locations, how to look for transportation, and this is the video you need basically to learn how to deal with transport in Luganda. We are going to be looking at those phrases you need in your life to deal with transportation. Now, before we go into phrases, we have things you need to know that we use to transport. For example, airplane. Airplane is enyonyi. Enyonyi. We have boat. Boat is eryato. We have ferry. Ferry, that is ekidyeri. Ekidyeri. We have bicycle. A bicycle is egaali. Egaali. Motorbike. Motorbike is pichi-pichi. Pichi-pichi. We have vehicle. Vehicle. A motorcar. Now, let's go into useful phrases that you need when you are trying to deal with transportation in Luganda. Number one, you would say, I would like to hire a car. I would like to hire a car. In Luganda, you say, njagala kupangisa motoka. Njagala kupangisa motoka. Please take me to Kampala. Please take me to Kampala. In Luganda, we say, ntwalako e Kampala. Or you can say, ntwala e Kampala. Please stop here. Let's say you're in a vehicle, they are taking you and you would like to get out. Please stop here. You say, yimirira wano. Yimirira wano. Please wait for me here. Nindirako wano. For example, you're in taxi going somewhere and you would like to get out and get some stuff, and then they should wait for you and you get back on the taxi and they take you. So you say, nindirako wano. We have, how much is it to Kampala? How much is it to Kampala? Sente mmeka okugenda e Kampala? Sente mmeka okugenda e Kampala? We are going to Kampala. Now, I'm using Kampala as an example, but you can put a place where you're heading when you know it. I am going to, and then you fill the place. I am going to Kampala. I am going to Jinja. I am going to Masaka. I am going to Machindye. So, any place, you just say, I am going to Kampala. Ngenda Kampala. If you are many, you say, we are going to Kampala. In Luganda, tugenda Kampala. Another phrase, where are you going? Oragawa. Where are you going? Oragawa. Where are we going? Turagawa. Where are we going, tulagawa. In case you lost, you can say, I am lost. You just say, mbuze. Mbuze. I always want to make simple videos and short so that you can gain and learn very fast. But in case you have any question about transportation and any other question, if you feel like you would like me to assist you, you can put that question in under the comment section there below, and I can come in and I assist you. My name is Peter. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, ciao.